And big breaking updates coming in hours after Olympic bronze medalist Bajrang Punia was provisionally suspended from participation in any competition for a dope violation. The wrestler took to social media to give his defense. Let's listen in.
ये है भाई एक यह 22/12 ने एक्सपायर होली क्योंकि ये सारे अब हम कोई टूर्नामेंट में नहीं एक यह है या 22/8 ने एक्सपायर होली या देखो
ये इस महीने हो रही है
ये इस महीने एक्सपायर हुआ है ये
कैसे दे दें
ये डोप टेस्ट मारे हैं अब ना तो कोई टूर्नामेंट खेलते हम सर्जरी कराई थी सर्जरी के बाद दूसरा सैंपल है और जब तक प्रोटेस्ट पे बैठे हैं 8 मागनुमा सैंपल लेना आए हैं ये भाई जब टूर्नामेंट नहीं खेलते जब की बात है नहीं सैंपल देवा खिलाड़ी बेंगावा है सैंपल देवा है तो ये चलो ये तो हमने देख ली अगर किसी जूनियर बच्चे का लेना रहे हो तो वो ये चेक नहीं करा क्योंकि मेरे तो भाई डॉक्टर है टीम है इसने चेक कर ली लेकिन भाई नु का देखा को बुला के भाई मेरी तो गलती नहीं भाई हम आपकी गलती नहीं बताते जो आपके ऊपर मगरमच्छ बैठे हैं ना जो जबरदस्ती फंसाना लगे
आपका नहीं बन रहा भाई
जो जबरदस्ती आपका वीडियो नहीं डालेंगे
आपका वीडियो
हम अपना डालेंगे आपके ऊपर जो मगरमच्छ बैठे हैं ना वो ये काम कर रहे हैं ये
All right, we must move ahead right now to the other stories we're tracking. Our Prime Minister will be addressing a big rally very soon. And this is coming in as a Samajwadi Party bastion. Now, this is going to happen in Uttar Pradesh. Now, the BJP campaign has been targeting the main opposition parties' bastion, especially those from where members of the SP's first family are contesting. But the main highlight of the Prime Minister's visit is going to be in the evening when he will be visiting the Ram Temple in Ayodhya and will be holding a roadshow from the city. So, those visuals coming in. Prime Minister is scheduled to offer prayers and puja at the Ram Mandir in Ayodhya at about 7 p.m. So the entire evening we will get you all the details. We'll count down to what is really happening there. And we're also seeing that the Prime Minister is going to be going to Ayodhya. He will be holding a huge visit to Ayodhya. Now, this will be one of his first visits to Ayodhya after the Pran Pratishtha of the Ram Mandir. He will be undertaking a 2-kilometer tour in Ayodhya after asking Ram Lala. And this is happening, of course, after we saw that the Pran Pratishtha of Ram Lala had happened. After that, we are seeing that this will be called the Ram Path tour by PM Modi. It will start around Sugriva Fort and it will terminate at Lata Chowk. And there are 40 blocks along that route. So that is what we are learning of right now. This is the big story we're tracking at this point of time. Many details are coming out at this point of time, viewers on Republic. We see the Prime Minister will be in Ayodhya today and grand preparations are underway already. On the right hand of your screen, viewers, you see the kind of preparations which are underway. Ayodhya is being decked up just ahead of Prime Minister's visit. And you can see that he will be accorded a very lavish welcome when he arrives in Ayodhya. Ahead of his visit, security has been stepped up since a large number of devotees have been entering the temple town as well. So we are seeing that the security has been stepped up. We see the kind of footfall that the Ram Mandir has been getting ever since it had opened to the public. So the security is one of the prime concerns when it comes to PM Modi's visit.